Check this out.
I also got a question from Lil Q on the track. He asked, am I able to pre-hear sounds? Because he couldn't pre-hear sounds on his Maschine Plus or his MK3. So here's one way that you do it. Your shift button gives you additional functionality, kind of like what I said on the pitch shifting videos that I did earlier, okay? In this video, as you can see already, we have browse selected. Browse is selected. That when you hold down the shift button, you see pre-hear comes up at the top. So pre-hear, make sure that's selected. It'll be white once it's selected. Then you'll have the ability to use your 4D encoder, your 4D encoder right here, and then you have your other encoders right here. So you can now navigate. You can navigate through the sounds. Just had to turn the sounds up a little bit. So, but not only that, what you can do, you see your previous and next buttons, you can take those buttons to navigate through your sounds as well. So once again, when you're in browser mode, hold shift, pre-hear will come up, select the pre-hear button, and then you should be able to pre-hear your sounds as you're browsing through all of your sounds. If you like videos like these, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, hit the bell notifications so that you can stay up to date when we release new videos. This is daysuncivil, signing out. Peace.